Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cudos coin. Ticker symbol is CUDOS. Now this coin is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting February 21st on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Cudos coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this coin here. So Cudos is revolutionizing the Web3 space with its decentralized blockchain-driven cloud infrastructure, offering unparalleled access to sustainable, scalable computing resources, and is being listed February 21st at 9 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this coin and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this coin is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search CUDOS, and then simply just buy the coin. Now it says the mainnet is now live. Cudos Foundation is now live. They also just got listed on Crypto.com. Cudos Intercloud has launched. And on their webpage, if you go to Cudos.org, you can check out a developer section, network section, community, blogs, learning section, and deploy a VM. They also have tons of social links, Discord, LinkedIn, Medium articles, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, you name it. You can read documentation. You can explore their mainnet. So much information. So Cudos is a delegated proof-of-stake layer 1 blockchain with a vision for a decentralized computation accessible on-chain. The design of the Cudos network separates consensus from execution to ensure secure, decentralized, and permissionless access to high-performance computing at scale. Builders on the network get access to high application performance, developer-friendly toolkit, composable asset management. Users of the chain benefit from high cryptography security, public blockchain transparency, cross-chain interoperability, and carbon-neutral transactions. So they use proof-of-stake consensus. A Tendermint core engine manages consensus powered by a Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus model. The BFT model can tolerate less than 1/3 of the Byzantine validators reaching consensus, considered to be a gold standard in the proof-of-stake consensus. It is the most widely used consensus engine across the industry. The POS algorithm reduces the Cosmos carbon footprint by more than 99% compared to proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin. So why would you use the Cudos network? Well, scalability and cross-chain interoperability. When economic activity becomes centralized on a single network, the result is bottlenecks of congestion and high transaction fees, such as Ethereum. And they have attempted to solve this issue with scalability vertically with layer 2 solutions that leverage the underlying security of the layer 1 Ethereum network. Transactions are executed off-chain on the layer 2 with a proof of stake change sent back to the layer 1. These proofs are then checked for fraud and verified before the underlying layer 1 chain is updated. Increasingly, there is also a shift towards horizontal scaling solutions. They are enabled through the use of multiple independent blockchains or side chains with a single ecosystem. Horizontal scaling spreads the computation of transactions in an ecosystem across many independent blockchains, with each chain having its own block producers and execution capacity. Cudos addresses scalability vertically and horizontally. A lightning-fast consensus mechanism built on Tendermint enables thousands of transactions per second, whilst an inter-blockchain communication protocol enables cross-chain interoperability with an increasing number of Cosmos ecosystem members, such as Osmosis. The Cudos bridge brings further interoperability between the Cudos and Ethereum networks, allowing for the transfer of tokens, assets, NFTs, and data. The design of the Cudos network enables the following advantages. So, low latency, instant finality, extremely low transaction costs, scalability, ability to deploy inter-chain smart contracts and build cross-chain applications. It is developer-friendly, so Cudos Network supports smart contract development that complies to WebAssembly. Rust developers can quickly set up local and test network to build on. They have CosmWasm, a library of module code needed for building a contract, and is a helpful resource. You can find tons of info on docs.cudos.org. They go over the wallets, the accounts, the token types, transactions and queries, gas and fees, and cryptography. Like I said, they have a Telegram that you could follow. If you want to follow that, it is at Cudos Telegram, and they have 6,465 members on there. 268 of them are online right now. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. They have a really big Twitter following, and as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. At Cudos_, blue verified checkmark, over 3,100 tweets, 46,000 Twitter followers, and they have a link to their webpage there on the Twitter as well. It says they're from the United Kingdom. So check this all out. A brand new central exchange listing starting February 21st on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.